So this lesson is going to be over lesson number 42 in book 2. It's They have it in there as the a la breve, but it's actually more commonly known in America, at least, as cut time. You'll hear me talk about cut time all the time. So right now I have up here common time. If you remember, common time is the exact same as writing 4-4. It's the most common time. So you just write a C there so that you know what it is. Common time, let's split this up into 4 beats because we have common time equals 4-4. So this would be beat 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That would be common time. Now, we want to go double the speed. So we cut it in half. And instead of becoming 4, 4, we're going to get rid of those two. We have 2, 2. Now this is a time signature we really haven't seen. We haven't seen anything with 2 in the base. But if you see 2 in the bottom, you know that a half note gets 1 beat. A half note gets 1 beat in 2. And so if you know the top number is the number of beats, you know there's 2 beats in each measure. So these numbers now are wrong because you don't count in 4 when cut time. So we know a half note gets the beat. So that half note, how many beats does it get? It gets 1 beat. So you know that's beat 1. But now a quarter note. How many beats does a quarter note get? It gets not 1 beat, but there's 2 of them for every half note, and you know the half note gets 1 beat. So if there's 2 of them, you know each gets 1/2 of the beat. So basically, in quarter note and cut time kind of acts like an 8th note in regular time. So a quarter note, that would be beat 2, and then that would be beat and. So if you look at any of the stuff on the wall, this is why I don't just say, this is how a quarter note is written, this is how an 8th note is written. I say level 1 subdivision. So level 1 subdivision would be just underneath 1 beat. So 1 beat is a half note. Level 1 subdivision would be quarter notes. Level 2 would be 8th notes. Level 3 would be 16th notes. So level 1 subdivision, remember, use 1 and or 2 and, whatever you need to do. So then we have beats 1 and 2. That's why cut time can be kind of difficult, is because we just constantly think of it as common time. You'll see it also, you'll see that I drew the line through the C. They'll have common time, and then when a line's through it, that means it's in cut time. So remember, just cut time means 2, 2. Half note gets the beat, and then quarter notes are worth half a beat, or your first level of subdivision. So just remember that. 1, 2, and 1, 2. 1, 2, and 1, 2. A lot of concert band marches are written this way. So if you see a concert band march, it might be written in cut time. Okay, now finish the student assignment for lesson number 42, and then go on to lesson number 43.